makes a winner? I think it's clarity of thought and really understanding what customer problem you're fixing, but also really understanding why your technology is unique and different.
So we invited 8 startups to pitch effectively their ideas of how they can drive manufacturing innovation forward, and particularly we also had an angle around sustainability.
When we assess in the summit who actually wins, there's 2 real factors. One, obviously, it's the idea that 1 + 1 = 3. The second one is startup has to show that they actually invested time to work with us. You can't just show up and do a pitch 12 weeks after we started. You have to show the work that you put into the whole effort.
I'm looking forward to the pitches. I'm looking forward to hear more about the passion they have for technologies.
As a judge and a leader within the Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, what I'm really looking for are companies that can see business outcomes. Technology is great, but it's how the technology is applied and delivers business outcomes for customers, because that's what they buy.
Agility, entrepreneurialism, excitement, just general energy and enthusiasm.
I really want to see, not only the new innovative technology that these startups are obviously working on and proposing, but also how do they see them driving that change within the industry? So their market penetration strategy, go to market, the business model, and have they thought of new innovative ways to help manufacturers transform, not just trying to sell a product or a service essentially. Really that culminates in what is the joint opportunity for them and Hexagon going forward.
So I think if you can tell that story well, have a real understanding of what your value proposition is, and then how you've almost created new value by working with Hexagon, and you really can therefore fix the customer problem in new and innovative ways, I think that's what really makes a winner.